Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I am bringing you a review of a Revlon wig called Lauren. And the color on Lauren today is 637T, also known as Rum Raisin. I get asked questions about this color all the time, and so I figured what better way to display it than out here in the brilliant Georgia late winter sunshine. It's crazy bright out here. But I'll get to the color in just a second. I want to say that my initial impression of Lauren is quite good. It's another asymmetrical pixie. There are lots of them on the market right now. But I think that Lauren comes in some very cool colors for such a neat style, and it looks just like the manufacturer photos, which I love in a wig. I love it when it looks like it's supposed to. I also think that it's super cute on. Let me sweep this guy over here. I also think that this one is a really good contender for that Robin Wright wig that I was looking for about a year ago. If I would have gotten this in, say, like a rooted blonde, it probably would look a little bit closer, like if I would have gotten like creme brulee or something like that. So let me give you the specs on Lauren. The bangs are 6.25 inches, which is pretty long. It's made to be swept off to the side. The crown down is 8.5 inches, so it's even longer than it is in the front. And the nape is super short at 2.5 inches. So I think this wig is very cute. I think it's very easy to wear, pretty effortless, and like I said, it comes in a wide variety of very cool colors. It's only 2.75 ounces, which is great. That's a very lightweight wig. I mean, it's a little heavier than some of the other asymmetrical pixies that I have on the site, but it's still very manageable. And it's also a little longer, especially here on the sides, than some of my other asymmetrical pixies. This one's kind of cool because I like the length here on the sides. Reminds me a little bit of like Louise Brooks or something like that. So very, very cool little wig. About this color, let me break down the color code for you a bit. So the 6 is the base shade. And the 6 in this case is kind of like a medium, sort of almost like a chestnut brown color. Here, let me zoom in a bit. And get in the sunshine so you can see it better. So as you can see in the sunlight, definitely a contrast there between that and the highlight shade. The highlight on this one is a very pretty sort of medium auburn color, but it's not a flat auburn. It has a couple of different auburn shades sort of blended into it, so very, very cool coloring there, if you can tell. And I will put this right up to the camera when I take the wig off so you can kind of see it again when it's not on my head. But I love the contrast here in this color between the base shade and the highlights. I just think that it's a very beautiful color. It reminds me a bit of MV's Cinnamon Raisin, which shares that raisin component, if you're picking up on keywords there. Very, very similar colors. So this is Lauren up close and personal. So you can see in the back, very, very short here at the nape. Lots of layering here in the back, but it all fits kind of sleek, which is in keeping with the style. I like how this layer here ends right around the sideburn area. I think that's very cool looking. And here is the longer of the two sides, and you can see it's kind of feathered here on the sides, and it is definitely longer, and you can make that curve in to fit the face. And up close you can really see that color, and this is an indirect lighting, that's just really bright out. I'm going to go ahead and put Lauren back on after I show you the interior of the cap. Got very nice felt, very soft here at the front hairline. The whole top of the cap is open. There's not that much permatease in this wig. Lauren only has a little bit up here near the crown in the sort of horseshoe shape where this lace is. Quite stretchy here in the back. That's very impressive to me. Very stretchy as well on the sides. It does have a slightly extended nape with a bit of felt here for the Velcro closures. And it has open ear tabs, so it'll be easy to wear glasses with. So overall, I think that this wig is really stellar. And if I hold this up close to the camera, inverted like this, you can really see the different shades of auburn that are in here. One's kind of like almost like a light caramely brown, and the other one is just like a number 30. So it's very, very pretty. And it's mostly concentrated towards the top. As you can see, the nape is pretty dark here. So very cool color, looks great in this wig. I'm going to go ahead and put Lauren back on for you. Very stretchy, goes on really easily, like a dream almost. Make sure that the ear tabs. Now I don't have complete coverage on the sides, but my bio hair is dark, so it blends with the wig color very nicely. If you have any concerns about that, I would say plan similarly. You know, either get a rooted color if you have dark bio hair, or stick to something that's similar to your bio hair color. And it's made to be worn kind of like that, with this layer sort of swooped off to the side a bit. Or it can be flipped inward like that, which is kind of nice. You could also say, to heck with that, I'm just going to part it however I want. You could even do one of those. Whichever you think looks best on you. So this has been the Lauren wig by Revlon in the lovely color 637T, also known as Rum Raisin. So thank you for watching. Again, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my site if you have a chance. And if you have any questions, either send me a comment via YouTube, or you can go ahead and send me an email at heather@CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching and have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.